Marvel Rivals players often experience lag, desynchronization, and disconnects due to packet loss. Packet loss occurs when data packets, small units of information traveling between your computer and the game servers, fail to reach their destination. Even a small percentage of packet loss, 1 to 2%, can significantly impact gameplay in a fast paced game like Marvel Rivals, causing noticeable disruptions. Several factors can contribute to packet loss in Marvel Rivals. These include network congestion during peak hours when routers and servers are overloaded with traffic, leading to dropped packets. ISP throttling is another cause, where internet service providers intentionally limit bandwidth for gaming traffic to manage network loads. Outdated hardware or software, such as old routers or background applications consuming bandwidth, can also cause packet loss by interfering with data transmission. Additionally, the distance to NetEase's game servers plays a significant role, with players geographically farther away experiencing higher packet loss due to longer transmission paths. These causes highlight why packet loss can vary widely depending on your location, internet setup, and usage patterns. Start with basic troubleshooting. Switch to a wired Ethernet connection instead of Wi-Fi to improve stability and reduce interference. Close any bandwidth-heavy applications running in the background, such as video streaming services or large downloads. Ensure your network drivers are up to date. These simple steps can often resolve minor packet loss issues. For persistent packet loss issues, consider using a virtual private network or VPN. A VPN creates a secure tunnel that routes your gaming traffic through optimized servers, potentially bypassing ISP throttling and reducing latency. Another advanced solution is port forwarding. This involves configuring your router to direct incoming traffic on specific ports, such as UDP 27000 through 2731 for Marvel Rivals, directly to your gaming device. This ensures packets reach their destination without being blocked or delayed. To set up port forwarding, access your router's settings page and follow the instructions in your router's manual. Each router model is different, so refer to the documentation provided by your manufacturer. Marvel Rivals includes built-in settings designed to help reduce packet loss. The key feature is the Optimize for Performance mode, which prioritizes network packets while reducing graphical load. This frees up bandwidth and improves overall network performance, especially on lower-end systems. Examine your system-level network settings. Disable QoS, quality of service, if it's inadvertently throttling gaming traffic. Ensure your PC meets the minimum system requirements for Marvel Rivals, including a stable internet connection, 50 Mbps plus recommended. Use network diagnostic tools like NetEase's built-in ping checker or third-party apps like Ping Plotter to identify the source of packet loss. Past incidents offer valuable insights into addressing packet loss in Marvel Rivals. For example, during the Marvel Rivals beta, European players experienced high packet loss due to server overload. NetEase responded by increasing server capacity, reducing the loss significantly. Similarly, some players have found success using gaming VPNs to bypass geographic issues, reducing packet loss and improving matchmaking. The future of network optimization looks promising, with cloud gaming reducing latency by processing games server-side, AI-driven systems predicting and rerouting packets around congestion, and esports growth driving investment in edge computing to minimize loss. While challenges remain, experts predict a significant drop in packet loss complaints in the coming years.